What's up, guys? It's the Mexican Sneakerhead. I'm bringing you another video right here. Online camping episode 3. As we're camping online for the Lebron Championship pack or the Celebration pack, whatever y'all want to call it. Well, for this shoe, I did a lot for it. I did House of Hoop raffle, and I did the RSVP for Nike store, and I was successful in none of them. So right now I'm camping online, trying to get this shoe. Shit's gonna get crazy right now. We got 1 minute left until the fucking release. Well, let's see. Hopefully I get a pair. I doubt it, but I'm gonna just try, It doesn't cost nothing to try. Except for waking up early in the morning trying to do this shit, but it's worth it. Well, let's see how it goes. Heart is pounding right now. She's about to go down. That shit went down. Waiting for my turn online. Let's go. Kevin? Well, I think I didn't get a pair. Oh shit. Shit went down quick. This time I did it as fast as I can without a bot, but looked like I couldn't get the shoe, I think. Shit. See, I was not successful. It says out of stock. Should probably finish all of them, but well, yeah, that's my video right there for the LeBron Celebration pack. Damn, I couldn't get them, but fuck it. I had doubts about it too. I knew I was gonna get them, but I just try. It don't cost nothing to try. Well, as you can see, these two shoes are sexy, but fuck it, all those bots users, as always, probably got the shoe. But thanks for watching, guys. This has been the Mexican Sneakerhead. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment what you think, and catch you on the next one. Peace.